Drug discovery is a long and complex process, taking 10–15 years to bring a new drug from concept to market. This journey combines scientific innovation with rigorous testing to ensure new therapies are both effective and safe for patients. The image shows a pharmaceutical laboratory scientist examining test tubes and molecular models, surrounded by advanced equipment in a clinical setting. This represents the scientific research and development work that goes into discovering and validating potential new drug candidates. Each step in the drug discovery process is critical to bringing safe and effective new treatments to patients who need them. Drug discovery is a multidisciplinary process that brings together expertise from various scientific fields, including chemistry, biochemistry, molecular biology, pharmacology, and computational modeling. The goal of drug discovery is to identify new compounds that can treat or prevent disease by targeting the underlying molecular mechanisms. Scientists work to understand the molecular basis of disease, and this knowledge guides the design and development of targeted therapeutic agents. The slide shows a scientist working in a modern laboratory, examining cell cultures and molecular models, which represents the collaborative, research-driven nature of the drug discovery process. The drug development process is a long and costly endeavor, taking an average of 10–15 years from initial concept to market approval. The typical investment required to develop one successful drug is $1–2 billion. To arrive at an approved drug, pharmaceutical companies must screen over 5,000 different molecular compounds. This lengthy timeline and significant investment underscores the complexity and challenges involved in bringing a new drug to market. Careful planning, rigorous testing, and substantial resources are all critical to navigating the drug development journey successfully. The key stages of drug discovery are a well-established process that pharmaceutical companies follow to develop new medications. The first stage is target identification, finding a biomolecule that is relevant to the disease we want to treat. Next is target validation, where we confirm that this target actually plays a role in the disease. In the lead discovery stage, we screen many different chemical compounds to find ones that show activity against the target. We then move to lead optimization, where we work to improve the properties of the most promising compounds. Preclinical testing involves lab and animal studies to further evaluate the safety and efficacy of the drug candidates. Finally, the most promising compounds move to clinical trials, where they are tested on human patients in multiple phases. This rigorous process helps ensure that only the most viable drug candidates make it through to regulatory approval and commercialization. Genomics approaches like gene expression profiling and SNP analysis can identify disease-associated genes that could serve as potential drug targets. Proteomics methods such as mass spectrometry and protein interaction networks can reveal changes in disease-relevant proteins and highlight promising targets. Bioinformatics analysis, including computational tools and data mining, can predict the druggability of targets and uncover patterns across large datasets to guide target selection. These complementary approaches from genomics, proteomics, and bioinformatics provide a comprehensive view of potential drug targets for further investigation. Genetic studies have shown that knocking out the target gene confirms its role in the biological process of interest. Cell-based assays allow us to test how modulating the target affects cellular behavior and function. Animal models of disease help validate the target's relevance in a more complex, whole organism system. Integrating data from multiple evidence sources, such as genetics, cell biology, and animal models, builds our overall confidence in the target. Together, these target validation approaches give us a comprehensive understanding of the target's role and potential as a therapeutic. High-throughput screening uses robotic systems to test thousands of compounds daily, with automated analysis identifying active hits for further study. Virtual screening employs computer models to predict compound binding, using computational approaches to narrow the search for active molecules. Fragment screening starts with small chemical fragments and builds larger compounds, with structure-based design guiding the molecular architecture. These three complementary approaches, high-throughput screening, virtual screening, and fragment screening, form the core of hit and lead discovery in drug development. The goal of lead optimization is to take promising initial lead compounds and make structural changes to improve their properties. We start with compounds that have shown good activity against the target. Through chemical modifications, we aim to enhance potency, selectivity, and stability. We extensively test the compounds to analyze their key properties. The best performing compounds are then selected to advance to preclinical development. Lead optimization is a critical step to turn an initial hit into a viable drug candidate. Preclinical testing is a critical stage in the drug development process, where new drug candidates are evaluated for safety and efficacy before moving to human clinical trials. In vitro studies use cell-based tests to assess the basic mechanisms of how a drug candidate interacts with cells and biological systems. This provides an initial understanding of the drug's potential effects. Animal testing then evaluates the drug's safety and efficacy in living organisms. Animal models help predict how the drug may behave in the human body. ADME studies examine how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in the body. This provides important information about the drug's pharmacokinetics. Toxicology studies assess the safety of the drug at various dose levels, identifying any potential toxic effects. This helps determine the appropriate dosing for human trials. The data from all these preclinical tests is crucial for determining whether a drug candidate is ready to move forward into clinical development. Manufacturing the active pharmaceutical ingredient is a critical step in the drug development process. We start by optimizing the chemical synthesis, scaling up from small batches to larger production runs while maintaining high purity. Next, we focus on formulation development, creating the final dosage form, whether that's tablets, capsules, or injectable solutions. This ensures the drug is stable and can be effectively absorbed by the body. Throughout the manufacturing process, we establish rigorous quality control measures and testing methods to meet good manufacturing practice, GMP, standards. The primary focus of Phase 1 clinical trials is to assess the safety profile of the compound being studied. The goal is to find the optimal dose range by determining the appropriate dosage. Pharmacokinetic measurements are taken to understand how the drug is absorbed and eliminated by the body. These trials are conducted on a small population, typically 20,100 healthy volunteers. The regulatory approval process is critical for getting new drugs to patients. Companies must file comprehensive submissions with regulatory agencies like the FDA or EMA. These submissions include all the clinical trial data and manufacturing information. Regulatory scientists thoroughly review the data to evaluate the safety, efficacy, and quality of the drug. They assess the overall benefit-risk profile for the intended patient population. Expert advisory committees provide recommendations and allow for public input. Ultimately, the agencies decide whether to approve the drug, request more data, or reject the application. Post-approval studies are often required to continue monitoring the drug's performance. The success rate for new drug development is extremely low. Only 1 in 10,000 compounds actually reaches the market. Each stage of the drug development process presents potential elimination points, and many promising candidates fail late in development, even after massive investment. Some of the key challenges include unexpected toxicity, insufficient efficacy, and regulatory hurdles. Even drugs that seem very promising can ultimately fail. This slide highlights the high-risk, high-stakes nature of pharmaceutical R&D. It's a challenging field with many obstacles to overcome. The images on this slide convey the emotional ups and downs, the disappointment of failed experiments, the seriousness of reviewing concerning data, but also the joy of a successful breakthrough. The future of drug discovery is being transformed by powerful new technologies like AI, quantum computing, and advanced 3D tissue models. AI-powered machine learning can predict the properties of drug candidates and design novel compounds with desired features. Quantum computing allows us to simulate complex biological systems, accelerating the virtual screening of millions of potential drug compounds. Organoids and organ-on-chip platforms provide advanced 3D tissue models that can replace traditional animal testing, more accurately mimicking human physiology. These cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing every stage of the drug discovery process, from target identification to lead optimization.